Welcome back to my video. In this video, we're going to learn how to do brute force attack with Instagram. Before that, I'm going to explain you what is brute force attack. Brute force attack is a trial and error method used to obtain information such as username, password, or personal identification number, that is PIN. It is used to generate a large number of consecutive guesses as to the large value that desired data. I'm going to click on my Termex and type pkg upgrade. I'm making sure that all the packages have been upgraded, and next installing get packets by typing pkg install get and then pressing enter, and next updating my Python packets. And now I'm going to get the GitHub link to brute force for the Instagram. Here I'm in the GitHub link. Here is the Insta hack which is used for brute forcing the Instagram. You can see the terminal screenshot of how to do attacking. So now I'm going to copy the link and paste it in my Termex. Okay, now I'm going to paste it here. Then press enter. Here it gets downloaded, and next typing ls command. So you can see here the Insta hack folder, and now I'm getting into the folder by typing cd insta hack and again typing ls command. So here you can see the Insta hack file which is written in the Python programming language. To do brute force attacking, I need some of the password. For that I need to create a txt file. So here you can see already a txt file is present with the file name of pass. Next I'm going to in nano text editor by typing nano pass.txt. Okay, now I'm in the text editor, entering some of the password and next saving them by pressing Ctrl O, enter, and then Ctrl X. So next I'm going to type python instahack.py. Now here it's asking me to enter username. I'm going to enter my username, and next it's showing me that 10 passwords loaded successfully, and it is also asking that do you want to use proxy. I'm going to type n because I have already created my own password list, and next it's asking me how many seconds you want to delay between the each brute force attack. Here I'm typing 1. So now it started checking the each and every password with my username. You can see some of them are incorrect. Okay, now here I got the password matched to my username. So that's how you are going to do brute force attack with Instagram. You can brute force anybody's Instagram account by guessing their passwords. So that's all in this video. Thank you.